Hi guys, you want to learn how to jump on a trampoline? You came to the right place. Hi guys, I'm Aliya.
And I'm Camila.
Today we're going to show you how to jump on a trampoline.
It's fun.
And it's a great exercise. If your trampoline comes with a net, don't take it off. Because if you bump into someone, you could fall off and get very injured, and you might have to go to the emergency room. I actually always know. And never go under the trampoline just in case if someone jumps on your head. And try not to jump when anyone's under it. Just be quiet. If they don't know, just tell them to get out. Now we're on to jumping. Never keep your knees locked. If not, you could break a leg. Always when you land, you gotta keep your legs bent like that, and then go back straight. And that's how you should always jump.
We're gonna practice landing on our bottoms. Now we're gonna practice landing on our knees.
Things together. Let's start. Keep practicing, guys. You'll get better. This is just the beginning. Remember, guys, this is a great exercise. And it's also fun. Wow, that was an exercise. I hope you enjoyed our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And give us a big thumbs up. Bye!
Bye.
Thanks for watching!